them a good outlook, help them stay focused on the positive, Lord. Bless this hospital that we're in front of today, dear God.
About 6 weeks ago, we reached out to the community leaders all over Montgomery and Prattville and the river region. We were having a hard time in the city of Montgomery. We did not have enough PPE. We did not have enough N95s or N100 respirators. These people have been great. They have met the challenge and they have enabled us to totally supply all our nurses, respiratory therapists, cleaning people, and other technicians in the hospital so they have good protection.
I'm an executive vice president with Riverbank and Trust, and we are so proud to be such a small part of the endeavor to provide PPE equipment for the doctors and nurses here at Jackson Hospital. We feel like that this is just a small role that we could play in helping our community overcome this horrible pandemic, and we want to wish everyone Godspeed in getting well quickly and back home with their families.